Sage reporting for Kalkine Media. Thanks for joining us for this trending news topic to follow. And subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to be notified for the latest videos. Bitcoin roars back following last week's massive sell-off. Bitcoin, or BTC, has experienced a resurgence in the past 24 hours following a significant sell-off last week. And last week, the world's most valuable cryptocurrency saw a significant drop from well above 60,000 Australian dollars to a low of 47,549 Australian dollars on 23rd of April. The weekend of 23rd of April saw a dip in the markets, including the crypto market, amid reports US President Joe Biden was planning to double the rate of capital gains tax for the wealthiest Americans to 43.4%. And it was the first time since the beginning of March that the crypto had sunk below 50,000 Australian dollars, with the entire crypto market shedding over 250 billion Australian dollars in a single day. The drop led to panic as investors were left unsure as to how low the coin would go. The recent sell-off of Bitcoin led to the crypto being highly undervalued, with the coin having a relative strength index, or RSI, of 31.93. Now, although the RSI must drop below 30 to be considered undersold, a score of 31.93 is close enough to indicate that the coin is undervalued. The Elon Musk touch. Tesla CEO and Bitcoin holder Elon Musk tweeted on Saturday, "What does the future HODL? A deliberate misspelling of the word hold, HOLD, which refers to a crypto meme which originated in 2013, and this could have been a contributing factor to Bitcoin's most recent rise, as any mention of the crypto by Musk correlates with a significant variation of price for the hypersensitive coin. Now, Musk has also bolstered the value of cryptocurrency Dogecoin in recent weeks following tweets supporting the alternate cryptocurrency. Dogecoin, which began as a joke in 2013, rose 200% last week when Musk tweeted a picture of a doggy barking at the moon, a variation of Spanish artist Joan Miro's painting, Dog Barking at the Moon. So Bitcoin investors will be paying close attention as Tesla is set to release its first set of results after adding $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin to its portfolio in March 2021. Does Bitcoin have real-world value? Despite Bitcoin's current market value, some pundits argue that crypto has no real-world value, citing its failure as an alternative piece of payment infrastructure. According to some estimates, Bitcoin can only manage 5 to 7 transactions per second, compared to Visa, which can manage up to 65,000 transactions per second, making Bitcoin vulnerable to backlogs should there be a sudden spike in transactions. And Dutch economist Alex de Vries claims the only use Bitcoin has is hoping the value goes up and someone pays more than it was bought for. And moreover, there have been claims that Bitcoin is a poor method of payment for items such as groceries, as it can take up to 1 hour to receive confirmation of purchase. Such is the volatility of Bitcoin's price that within that hour, the price of Bitcoin could potentially drop significantly, which would leave the retailer out of pocket. Moreover, Bitcoin's transaction fees have soared in recent weeks, with the average cost of facilitating a transaction rising to 74 Australian dollars, just shy of its peak of 80 Australian dollars back in 2017. Thanks for your time watching. If you like this information, please like, share and comment on the video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to be notified for our latest videos. For regular updates and information, log on to the website kalkinemedia.com, and this is Sage for Kalkine Media.